Hello students, in last video, in lesson nutrition in plants, we learn what is meant by nutrition, then modes of nutrition and autotrophic mode of nutrition. In that we learn photosynthesis. So in this video, we will learn next mode of nutrition, that is heterotrophic mode of nutrition in the plants. Okay. So what are the heterotrophic mode of nutrition? One by one we will study. First one is parasitic mode of nutrition. Second one is insectivorous mode of nutrition. Third one is saprotrophic mode of nutrition. And fourth one is symbiosis mode of nutrition. So one by one let's study. The first one is parasitic mode of nutrition. Here you can see some wire-like structure, yellow color. Structure is seen on plant or tree. That is one plant, Cuscuta. So it is using parasitic mode of nutrition. It is not preparing its own food because chlorophyll is absent and it is sucking food through its roots from the host plant. Okay, so on which plant it is growing, it is sucking the ready-made food. So it is called parasitic mode. Okay, so example is Cuscuta. So you can see here properly, yellow color plant is seen. It is seen wire-like. Okay. So next, nutrition, in which though the plant is able to prepare its own food, but it is killing insects and getting its nutrition. So it is called insectivorous mode of nutrition. In this, some of the plants, though they are able to prepare their own food, they will be killing or attracting insect and digest their juices and get their nutrition. So pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, they are the examples. In this example, you will see leaf is converted into pitcher-like structure. Can you see here in the picture? This leaf is modified into pitcher-like structure. When the insects is coming, they get attract towards the pitcher, and it's when the insect is sitting on this rim, it will get trapped and it will slip down in the pitcher and lid gets closed. And after that, this plant is sucking the food. So this was about insectivorous plant. Then next one, mode of nutrition, it is saprotrophic mode. What is meant by saprotrophic? So sapro means dead and decayed and trophic means nutrition. So plants or organisms which are getting their nutrition from dead and decayed material, that are called saprotrophic mode of, they are following saprotrophic mode of nutrition. For example, bread mold and mushroom. You must have seen umbrella like fluffy structures which are growing on rotten wood or in the soil in the rainy season. Okay, and you must have seen bread mold also, fungus which is growing on the decayed bread. Okay, so these are the examples: bread mold, yeast and mushroom. They are following saprotrophic mode of nutrition. So next one, it is symbiosis. So this is the mode of nutrition where one or two organisms, they are getting benefited by their cooperation. Either one of the organism will be getting benefited or both the organisms, they are getting benefited. This type of relationship is there. This is called symbiosis relationship, and this mode of nutrition, it is called symbiosis mode of nutrition. For example, organism like lichen, it is following this symbiosis mode of nutrition, where chlorophyll containing partner algae, it is prepared preparing food and sharing with its partner, and non-chlorophyll partner, that is fungus, it is giving shelter, providing water and minerals to its partner, and both are getting benefited. You can see here properly. This is example of lichen. Okay. So in the topic, the last point was replenishment of nutrients in the soil. So you must have know there are many minerals which are present in the soil, and roots are absorbing that. And still, because whenever the farmers they are growing crops, they have to add fertilizers and manures for proper growth of the plant. But as plants are able to absorb carbon dioxide from the air, nitrogen is also present in the air in abundance, but still plants are not able to absorb that nitrogen as it is. So there are some bacterium like rhizobium which are present in the soil, and they are helping some plants like leguminous plants to, they are capturing this nitrogen and they are converting in the usable form for the plants. So they are following mutual relationship, or they are helping to plants and they are also getting benefited. They are getting shelter in the roots of the plants, and so these nodule like structures, they are appearing on the roots of the plants. They are able to convert atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into usable form for the plants, and plants are getting benefited. So this was about replenishment of the nutrients in the soil. In the brief, I will summarize the lesson. In this lesson, we learn nutrition, need of nutrition, mode of nutrition, like autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, we learn photosynthesis, how plants prepare their own food. In heterotrophic mode of nutrition, we learn parasitic, insectivorous, saprotrophic mode of nutrition, and symbiosis relationship. And we also learn replenishment of the nutrients in the soil. Thank you.